Hi, this is my second creative learning opportunity titled Nature Prints, designed for children aged 2 to 3 years. In this activity, children explore natural materials such as leaves, bark, and flowers to create textured prints using child safe paint. This experience connects creativity with nature, encouraging respect for environment and sensory exploration. This experience links to the Early Years Learning Framework EYLF. Outcome 2: children are connected with and contribute to their world. Outcome 3: children have a strong sense of well being through tactile engagement. Outcome 4: children are confident and involved learners through exploration and discovery. For setup and environment, I've set up the experience outdoors to encourage connection with the natural world. The table is covered with recycled paper and the materials being leaves, bark, and petals, which were collected during a supervised nature walk earlier in the day. Non toxic paints are available in small trays, and each child has a sheet of paper to print on. This arrangement supports choice and independence, allowing children to explore freely while maintaining safety. I begin by inviting children to feel the textures of the leaves and bark. I model curiosity by saying, "This leaves feel smooth and the bark feels rough. How does yours feel?" Then I demonstrate dipping a leaf into a paint and pressing it on paper to make a print. I describe what's happening. "Look, the leaf made a beautiful green pattern." The children start experimenting. Some may overlap colors, while others prefer single prints. I observe their concentration and creativity, offering encouragements such as, "You're exploring the big leaf now. I can see the veins." These moments build fine motor control, sensory awareness, and appreciation for nature's diversity. As they work, I engage in meaningful conversation. "Where did we find that leaf?" Or, "What colors do you see in the trees today?" Promoting environmental awareness and vocabulary development. Through nature prints, I observed how children became deeply engaged in hands on discovery. They expressed pride and curiosity, showing early respect for nature and enjoyment of creative exploration. This activity supported outcome 2 by encouraging connection with environment and sustainable thinking. Next time, I would extend this experience by creating a class nature collage or by introducing discussions about seasons and how leaves change color. Overall, this learning opportunity fostered creativity, sensory learning, and environmental awareness in calm and joyful atmosphere. Thank you.